tonight's a lot of surprises. So come here. We have a surprise for you. Yes, we need to have a lot of exposures for your dress again. She looks so lovely, right? So you have to promise me one thing. I just want you to close your eyes. Okay, here. So no cheating, okay? No cheating, just close your eyes. Just yakap me, embrace ka natin kasi may surprise ako sa'yo. Okay? So this is really... Basta magulo. We have a surprise for you. Huh? Okay. Oh! Saglit lang. Wala pa? Wala pa? Wala pa? Yeah, as you know, very welcome to Rod Concept again. As you all know, Ramil is an ex, right? So, pero hindi ko pwede sabihin na welcome home kasi hindi ko magmamali. Right?